Ka Rotary Club Jowai ha ka jan miet chipotrik Julio, kala penlong ya ka jingalang Pdiang burom, ya ka jingwan iuhkjat Rotarian Dr. Kameswar Singh Elangbam District Governor Arja Arpasan Arja Arpanriu Rotary International District Laheja Arspa Saupo ha ka jingalang kabalalong ha New Hill Lom Soyung Jowai. Rotarian RE lalu kum usyong knor jong ka jingalang ula ai kikintian lam kman bat ayo ka jingkren na Rotarian AA Shulai bat President Rotarian R Nong Tedu. Ha ka jingalang President Rotarian R Nong Tedu ula ai ka presentation halor ki project bala pentrei da ka Rotary Club kat ba Secretary Rotarian M Pasa ula pensngau ya ka thong trekam ka seng. Ha ka ni ka sngi kala don ru ka jingsam sernat syaki dikhan kibala no senyang syaka yarong jong ka Rotary International. Dr. Kameswar Singh Elangbam ha ka jingkren ula ong ka Rotary Club ka bayeng ha ka nongrim ban syakri na ka benta ka baha kamiat jong ka imlang saklang bat ka penyajan ru bat ki beriu ki bana ki wei kiri jong ka perthei. Kum udkhat ka Rotary Club ula ong ba ula yok ma chibun ki jinghikai babaha bat jing syempang bat kintui ki dikhat Rotarian ban long ka nuksa babhai ki wei bat da ka balik kumta ka Rotary Club kan yo e ka jing syania na ubabun balang.
We are great, and our other districts are 3011, 3141, 321, all they are growing like this. We were growing in a very small rate in the last 5 years. 3040 has grown exponentially. It has been recognized throughout the country. Oh, you are from 3240. You'll be surprised when I was attending our zoning conferences, zoning programs. Whenever we mention, when we come down to Rotary district, so and so. 3240, the trustee chair will stand up, 3240, please, you have got 4 AKs. This much collection, this much contribution, $760,000 last year. Year before, $765,000. How about you? We are going to make you $1 billion. That is $1 billion target of net donation. Somehow, because of many things, we were expecting 500,000 from the endowment component, 500,000 from the annual fund, polio fund, and all that. But we have been meeting. I don't mind. That directly affects the Rotary district government. But any success credit goes to our Rotarian friends. Anything short for the person who is standing in on the microphone responsible. So I don't mind. Yet we are growing. I am proud to be a part of the Rotary International District 3240. With this reward, I would like to only mention one small request to all of you. We have a full endowment. Last year, 35 years, they have done a 35,000 full endowment. I have been asked to do, because this is the 36th year running, 36,000 full endowment. Because any member who becomes a benefactor by donating or by contributing one-time $1,000 becomes a benefactor. You have not become, any of you have become benefactor. I would only like to say, before the end of this term, be a benefactor and be recognized. Benefactor, you are going to get a benefactor certificate, even better than your honors. You will be recognized as you will be very instant now. The Rotary recognition, all that you stand as a benefactor. Imagine the current president, Rotarian, Italian gentleman, Rotarian Arijo, is a benefactor. Not even to begin with was a PhD, but he was first a benefactor. So, recognized as benefactor, I would like to request your prospective members, think about contributing $1,000 at one time, and I will be grateful. Watch out with these few words. My only suggestion to all of you is, you are doing well, keep doing, and keep it up, the great name of Rotary Club Jowai. And my best